Hello and welcome to IzzyBee Crafts. Today I will be painting Christmas village houses. I'm only going to be doing 2. I painted this one last year and I wanted to have more to match it. You will need gesso, acrylic paint, any brand you want, a paint sealant, and paintbrushes, and something to mix your paints on. I'm starting off by taking a wet cloth and cleaning off all of the village houses. And then I am going in and painting all of the houses with gesso before going in with the acrylic paint. For my first house, the main color is going to be purple, and other colors are going to be pink and blue. I'm mixing all the colors I'm using with white so that they're pastel. And you don't have to use a popsicle stick to mix your colors, you can just use a paintbrush, which I have done before and it works just as well. I'm also making a light tan for wood textured pieces on the houses. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'd love to know which house is your favorite. The house that I showed when I demonstrated cleaning the houses, I didn't have time to do, but if you'd like to see me paint 2 more houses, leave a comment down below saying that you would like to. Then I am mixing up a light pink for the roof. And a light green for any of the trees or bushes or exposed grass on the house or any greenery. Of course, you don't have to do these colors, you can do whatever colors you want and whatever colors you like. And I mixed a nice baby blue for an accent color, which I personally really like. I put it in some places and I changed like the little sign kind of to blue as well. Then I just used gesso to touch up the snow because I got some paint on the snow and I wanted it nice and white. Then I'm taking some glitter paint and painting that on the snow. These are the finished houses. I really like them. This is what this one looks like lit up. And this is the second house I painted. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!